Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we talk about function tables with you, Abdullah Khalid alharbi, under the supervision of Dr. Ahmed Abdul Hamid Ramadan, class 2-1. 1. Find the output for a function table. A function is a relation that assigns exactly one output value to one input value. The number of wing beats output depends on the number of seconds input. The function rule describes the relationship between each input and output. You can organize the input, output, values, and the function rule in a function table. In a function, the input value is also known as the independent variable. Since it can be any number you choose, the value of the out depends upon the input value. So the output value is known as the dependent variable. 2. Example of finding the result of a function table. The output is 7 more than the input. Complete a function table for this relation. The function rule is x plus 7. Add 7 to each input. Okay, here input equals x, so we see the first rectangle. 10 plus 7 equals 17. This is the first output. Second rectangle, 12 plus 7 equals 19. This is the second rectangle in output. The last rectangle, 14 plus 7 equals 21. 3. Find the input for a function table. The input and output of a function table can be represented as a set of orders pairs or a relation. The input represented the x values and the output represents the y values. Okay, for example of finding enters for a function table. Find the input for the function table. Use the work backward strategy to determine the input if the output is found by multiplying by 3. Then the input is found by dividing by 3. Okay, input here is we don't know what is the input, so we use the output and use the backward strategy. Okay, 6 here, 6 here, divide 3 equals 2. The first rectangle in input is 2. 15 divide 3 equals 5. So the rectangle 2 in input is 5. 21 divide 3 equals 7. So the last rectangle in input is 21. The input values are 6 divide 3 or 2, 15 divide 3 or 5, and 21 divide 3 or 7. So the question, Ricardo White 2 pounds more than twice his sister White. The function rule 2x plus 2. where X is his sister White, can be used to find Ricardo White. Make a table of values that show Ricardo White when his sister is 20, 30, and 40 pounds. Okay, the graph, the function. Okay, we now here the 2x plus 2. Okay, we use 20. We use 20 here. We use 20 here, and here 2 multiply 20 plus 2. Okay, 2 multiply 20 equals 14, plus 2 equals 42. Okay, the second number is 30. 2 divide 30 plus 2 equals 26. Here 14. 2 multiply 14 plus 2. 2 multiply 14 equals 80, plus 2 equals 82. Okay, we check our answer here. Okay, Ricardo sister White's 20 equals the first rectangle equals 42, the second 62, the last rectangle equals 82. Okay, function tables. Finally, I hope it was to your liking and enjoyment. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.